What's up, y'all? So today I'm about to be eating some carrots. It's my first time, so I don't know what it's going to taste like. So here they go. I never tried them. My mom said it's good. It's good for you. And I said, okay, let me try them. So here you go, my first one. I got some ranch. I love ranch, kind of. So let's get started. That's okay, babe. I would say I have tried carrots, but they're different. They're different kind. I got the spicy ones. Some I'm giving this kind of it's cold. Can I see the steam? That's not touching on the egg. What? Come on.
Oh no, I was just making some quick.
Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Pick me some chips. Like that. I'm gonna try this with ranch. I'm gonna try this with ranch.
Oh, did you?
No, okay. They not gonna taste like carrots. They don't taste the same as that. Look. And add that much. So good. Say hi. Hi. Oh, yo. I better eat his carrot. Ow. That hurts. Uh-oh. He dropped it. Okay. So, it's kind of good. So, that was like 30 out of 30 because, I mean, 39 out of 31 because they're good, but they're not that good. It's all your opinion. Yummy. Yummy. Say yummy. Oh, good. see? Who up? Who's up? Give me a kiss. Wow. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Thank you. Okay, you didn't have to chew my ear. That's good. Huh?
You know, you be on all types of stuff.
Oh.
Huh? Oh, no, I did. It's so good. I love it. Okay.
What?
He might come home.
That's what he said.
Yeah, he said it's not. He said it's just raining, but hopefully, you know.
Me and D, we're in the video together
Oh yeah.
on YouTube. Yeah. D, stop. You silly. Not touching on. No. No.
I don't think I'm gonna ever buy vegetables out the can again.
Why?
Just because the can it be
Stop.
find like sometimes it be bugs at the bottom and stuff like different types of stuff. But if you
That happened to you before?
people post it and then like with me,
I know. Okay, I'm the video. Say bye. Say bye-bye.